How to massage the extensor muscle of the wrist. The main portion of this muscle group is located on the outside of the forearm, between the elbow and the wrist. Start near the elbow and then move towards the wrist. Use the verve to target tight muscle knots and trigger points. Use the sport if you want to cover a wider area. For a more powerful massage, use the Mini Pro. Hold one position for 15 to 30 seconds. For a deeper massage, apply some light pressure with your fingertips. The long, ergonomic handle of the sport makes it easy to reach all muscles. For a more powerful massage, use the Mini Pro. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Stay active.